Hello children, welcome you in chemistry class. I am going to teach you solution. Children, you know solution is a mixture of solute and solvent. So here you have to know what is the solute and what is the solvent. Substance which dissolves or disappear in the solvent and form a solution is called solute. So children, I told what is the solute. So solute is a substance which dissolves or disappear in the solvent to form a solution is called solute. Now next is solvent. What is the solvent? Liquid or medium of dissolution which allow the solute to dissolve in it so as a solution is formed, that is called solvent. So children, solvent is a medium in which solute is going to dissolve, so that medium in which solute disappear and solution is formed, that is called solvent. So once more you write and learn the definition of solvent. Solvent is a medium of dissolution in which solute dissolves or disappear and solution is formed. Here solvent may be water or some other organic solvent. Organic solvent. So which are the organic solvent? Like petrol, ether, alcohol, acetone. They are organic solvent. But children, you have to know water is universal solvent. So why water is called universal solvent? Water has the ability to dissolve a large number of substances. So on which ground or due to which region we call water is universal. Universal solvent. So children, you have to learn water has the ability to dissolve a large number of substances. It can dissolve a large number of gases. Due to that reason, water is called universal solvent. So water dissolves almost every common substance like salt, sugar, gases like hydrogen chloride, ammonia, oxygen, carbon dioxide, so many things. So you can say almost all the common substances can be dissolved in water. Water has ability to dissolve all these substances. Therefore, water is called as universal solvent. So children, I told mixture of solute and solvent. Solute and solvent is called solution. Solute plus solvent is called solution. So you have to know what is the correct definition of solution. A solution is A. So now you have to know what is the correct definition of solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may be gradually changed by changing the relative amounts of components. So children, what is the solution? A homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Which are the components of the solution? Only one is the solute and other is solvent. Therefore, solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. Homogeneous means uniform mixture. So, solution is a uniform mixture of two or more substances whose composition may be gradually changed by changing the relative amount of components. I told two components of the solutions are one is solute and other is solvent. So these are the two components. Therefore, I told solution is homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. And when we are going to change the amount of solute and solvent, anyone, then we see composition of the solution will change. On changing the amount of solute or amount of solvent, composition of the solution will change. Now, children, on the basis of amount of solute or amount of solvent, solutions are many types. So what are the different types of solution? So first you see dilute solution. There is dilute solution. Second is concentrated solution. Next is saturated solution. Other is unsaturated solution. And last one is super saturated solution. So these I told here 5 types of solution. No, yes, 5 types. Dilute solution, concentrated solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solution and super saturated solution. So which solution is called dilute solution? A solution in which the amount of solute is relatively small amount. So it means the solution in which amount of solute is less. It means in comparison to the solvent, if less amount of the solute has dissolved, so that solution is called dilute solution. Other is concentrated solution, a solution in which large amount of solute has dissolved in comparison to the solvent. In comparison to the solvent, when you are comparing the amount of solute in large quantity, so that is called concentrated solution. But now, so children, you know understood what is the dilute solution? A dilute solution is a solution in which the amount of solute is relatively small compared to the amount of solvent in a given mass of it. Concentrated solution, a solution in which the amount of solute is relatively large compared to the amount of solvent in a given mass of it. So these are the dilute and concentrate. Now next is saturated solution. So which solution is called saturated solution? Children, you have to learn definition of saturated solution. A solution which cannot dissolve any more solute at a given temperature is called saturated solution. A constant temperature has given. At that constant temperature, solution cannot dissolve any more solute. So that is called saturated solution. And what is the unsaturated solution? A solution which can dissolve more of the solute at a given temperature is called unsaturated solution. So saturated solution is that solution which cannot dissolve any more solute at a given temperature. Now you see, saturated solution is converted into unsaturated solution by two ways: on increasing the temperature or heating the saturated solution, or by adding more solvent to the saturated solution. When more solvent is added, saturated solution become unsaturated. So what is the unsaturated? Unsaturated a solution which can dissolve more solute at a given temperature. So that is called unsaturated solution. So I told saturated solution can be converted into unsaturated. How? Either by increasing the temperature. When we heat saturated solution, it becomes unsaturated. Other is by adding more solvent. When in the unsaturated solution, solvent is added, saturated become unsaturated. Now last one is super saturated solution. So what is the super saturated solution? Super saturated solution is a solution which can dissolve the more solute on increasing the temperature. It means a supersaturated solution at a particular temperature is one that is more concentrated than its saturated solution at that temperature. When saturated solution, I told solution which cannot dissolve. If it is not able to dissolve, then we increase the temperature. On heating, some more solute it will dissolve. Some more solute can be dissolved in that. And after that we have to cool it.